PhD third year student. I welcome you all in my surgery online class, and today the topic for discussion is traumatic fat necrosis. Now this relates or this indicates what? Means this disease is related to any trauma or injury and there is involvement of the fats, the fat globules. So what happens if any lady receives any injury or trauma that is direct or indirect injury or trauma that is unnoticeable, when that trauma is not getting noticeable, when the lady is not aware, then this will lead to the capillary ooze. Now capillary will ooze in the breast. So there are very tiny small capillaries inside the breast, so that will lead to the capillary ooze, and this will cause what? Formation of fatty acids. So the triglycerides present in the fats will dissociate into fatty acids. So the triglycerides present in the fats of the breast will dissociate into fatty acid, and this fatty acids will get combined with the calcium present in the blood. So there will be combination of fatty acids and calcium. This both will combine and will form, or there will be process saponification. This saponification will lead to the inflammatory responses. So there will be what? The inflammation in the breast, there will be formation of swelling or the lump inside the breast. Now in clinical features, when the person, the female will come, she will say, so in clinical features she will complain, or during examination. See, this traumatic fat necrosis is many times not noticeable in many females. They are not aware that what is going inside their breast, so they are not aware. But during examination, many times when we examine the breast, then we see the lump or a swelling which is without any pain. There is no pain, no tenderness, no redness, nothing. Because it is what? It is a lump or swelling that is attached to the breast tissue, fixed or attached to the breast tissue. It is not movable. So when you will examine, it is not movable. It could be hard or soft lump in the breast. Generally it is a hard lump because there is what? There is collection of fats. So the fats, that is the triglycerides in the fats get dissociates into fatty acids that combine with the calcium, and the process saponification occurs, which causes inflammation, swellings in the breast. There is formation of lump that is hard, and when we will go for the investigation, first we have to rule out, because patient is saying that there is no pain, no tenderness, no redness, nothing, the hard lump that is fixed to the breast tissue. So in that case we can think of carcinoma. So for investigation in differential diagnosis, we have to rule out with carcinoma. So we will go for the investigations. In investigations we will recommend patient to go for FNSC, mammography and ultrasound. So in FNSC what? needle is inserted and aspirations, that fluid is taken out. So in FNAC, the discharge, that the fluid that will come out is like a chalky white, chalky colored fluid which has a fat globules. So under examination, when we will do the investigation further, then we will see the fat globules inside this chalky colored fluid which comes out during the process, that is fine needle aspiration, FNAC. Then we will go for mammography to rule out whether it is cancer or a traumatic fat necrosis, and ultrasound of the breast. So it is what? It is just a fat, collection of fat inside the breast. A hard lump is formed. We have to remove this. It is not non-progressive, it is not malignant, non-regressive. So ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस की बात नहीं है, कोई डर की बात नहीं है. It is just a lump, but we have to remove it. So in treatment we will do what? We will not give any antibiotics. Yes, if there is any chance of any infection or anything or any disease related, then we will prescribe the medicines or give antibiotics. But unless not needed, then we will not give. So in treatment we will do the surgery. What we will do? We will remove this. So excision. We will remove this lump. Traumatic fat necrosis. In surgery, we will do what? We will do the excision and will remove the lump out of the breast.